Welcome guys. Let's do compound technical analysis and price prediction of this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my immediate short-term target, my long-term target as well as the target of this bull run. So please watch it till end. Current rank of compound is 66 and price of the compound is $350 right now. Price increases 3.7% in 24 hours. Market cap of compound is $2 billion, that is very good. 24-hour trading volume of compound is 130 million, which is very good. Circulating supply of compound is just 5.7 million, which is very low. And total supply of compound is only 10 million. And it is also very low, and I think this token will hit my targets, and this token having huge potential and very bright future. Let me please show you some statistics and after that I will show you the charts. Here you can see on Monday 15 June 2020 price of the compound was just $78, and after that price goes to this zone, $9 price zone. All-time high of compound was on May 12, 2021, about 5 months ago, and the price was $910. And all-time low of the compound was on June 18, 2020, about 1 year ago, and the price was just $61. In 1 year, compound gives 150% profit to its holders, and it is available on these exchanges, HitBTC and Coinbase and some other important exchanges, also on Binance Exchange. And if you want to buy this token on Binance Exchange, then go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and this link of Binance Exchange. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $710 bonus absolutely free, and you can also get $20 bonus if you complete your KYC. And this is the Fimex link and this is the Bybit exchange link. You can get $1,600 bonus of Bybit exchange if once you registered with my affiliate link, and you can also apply for the coming airdrop, and that is very huge airdrop, about $6,800. Let me please show you the coming airdrop. This is Bybit coming airdrop, and it is the Bybit token is the native token of the Bybit exchange. Here you can see Bybit launchpad on 12 September to 28 September. Get up to 3,500 free bit tokens based on the overly snapshot of your wallet balance over a 5-day period. 5 million bit token, and this is also some price zones here you can see, and this is the trading price pool, and the price of the bit token is currently is at $1.42, and you can win $3,500 bit tokens. That is why this is very huge, very huge airdrop. Just some days remaining. Please register your account right now. Let me please show you the charts. This is compound 4-hourly chart, and here you can see it is the top of the compound is at this point 500, and in 4-hourly previous top is $574 and also 456. It is in this descending channel. Here you can see several touches. Let me please show you. First touch, second touch, third touch. This is upper trend line and this is down trend line, and here you can see after every time when it touch, it bounce back, and when it touch, it bounce back again towards downside. And let me please show you the targets. Once it broke this, in that case the next resistance area is at, let me please remove these drawings. Once it broke this, the next resistance area is this 378. It is the first resistance, and once it broke this area, in that case the next target is this area $420, and after that this area $450. 55, and if it rejected from that zone, in that case it can go down to retest this zone, and it is at 250 to $260 price zone. Maybe this zone and maybe this zone, this blue line, center blue line, and it is at $300 price range. And let me please show you some other statistics, some other support zones. Currently it is having a very strong support is at that level. Here you can see once it broke this zone and it is at this price level, in that case it can go further down to this level, maybe this level, 257 to 200, this zone, and this is also a support zone. Here you can see, and it is at this zone. And if it moved towards upside, in that case this is the first resistance zone, this is the second resistance zone. You can say it is the first target, it is second target, and it is the third target. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this EMA ribbon towards upside. Once candle 4 hourly candle close above $360, in that case we may see a massive move towards upside in compound. You have to wait until it break $360 price area. Let me please show you CPR levels. These are monthly CPR levels, and here you can see compound break this major CPR 3 levels, and after that it hit first CPR target and also second CPR target. This third and final CPR bearish target is at this zone 227, and once it broke this area, this first bearish CPR, in that case it can retest $445. This area, this zone is very important, very important, because it is now turning as a resistance, and these are main CPR levels. Watch down these levels. Let me please show you daily chart. After hitting $908 in this chart, and this is 1 day chart, price goes down, and it is let me please show you how much correction it takes, and approximately 77 to 78%, and now at 67% correction, and that is very huge correction. I think it have to bounce back right now. It is in these two patterns. First pattern is this horizontal channel, and here you can see this is upper horizontal line, this is down horizontal line, and whenever it touch upper horizontal line, it bounce back, and whenever it touch the downtrend line, it's also bounce back from here. And now it is after touching this zone, it is go again bounce back. In that case, the first resistance in this chart is this area, $382. Second is this area, 462, and third is this area, 552. Once it break 552, in that case the target of the long-term target, this is the long-term target, maybe it will take time, maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months, but definitely it will hit my targets. And this is the third target. These are the targets right now. These are 4 targets, and once it broke this towards downside, in that case there is a major support is at $203 price range. Here you can see this is the major support is at $208 price range, and if you see it here you can see it is in this ascending triangle type pattern. Once it broke this towards upside, in that case the target will be like this. Let me please show you. In that case the target will be like this, or if it break this from that zone, in that case the target will be like this, These are the targets, and if unfortunately it break towards downside, in that case, the worst, this will be the worst, but I have to show you. In that case, it can go to this area, but I don't think price can go down to this level, $19 price level. I don't think so. I think after that kind of moves, I think price have to bounce to break this area, and after that we may see a very big upside rally of this compound token. And let me please show you some indicators. Let me please show you. This is EMA ribbon, and it is at $420 in daily chart. Once it broke $420 price area, in that case new upside rally will start. Until we have to wait. And let me please show you CPR levels. It hit the first bearish CPR target on daily, here you can see, and also second target, and the third CPR bearish target is this zone. And bullish CPR targets are like this. This is first bullish target, this is second bullish target, and this is third monthly bullish target. These are CPR targets, but I think these are the targets it can hit. 759, 866 and $903 in just 2 or 3 months. These are the targets. Note down this target, and let me please hide this, and let me please show you. Let me please arrange this chart. Let me please draw this level, fib retracement, and here you can see it is currently is in between 0.65 to 0.78, and 0.78 is at $261, and it is major support, and the major resistance is now is this zone, 0.65, and it is at $375 price level. Once it break 0.65 and 0.61 level, in that case definitely it will touch this 0.5 Fibonacci level, and it is at $500 price area, and the next is 0.38, it is at $600 price area, so on. These are the fib retracement levels, and if it broke this, unfortunately 261 and 0.78 Fibonacci level, in that case next level is 0.88, and it is worst condition. In that case price can go down to 177. Look at this, and let me please show you my final chart. This is weekly chart, and this is weekly top, and if I do this like, and this is weekly horizontal resistance level 1, and this is support right now, and the second support right now, and the third support right now. These are support zones. After hitting this several times, here you can see first time, here you can see, and now here you can see, every time when it touch this zone price bounce back, and the next is this zone, and it is at the first is $440 resistance zone, and after that 535, and once it broke this, in that case next target, there is no resistance, next target is $900 price area. But if unfortunately it broke this, in that case the next target is 245, and if it broke this, this is also a long-term target. In that case this will be the target. This is target based on weekly support and resistance levels. And let me please show you the fib levels on weekly. Here you can see it is in between 0.78 to 0.61 and price is in between $398 to $258. Once it break $252 price area, it can touch 0.88 and price can go to 175. And once it break towards upside, in that case price can retest this zone 0.5 Fibonacci level and it is at 496. After that 0.38 and it is at 594, and after that this zone 0.23 $700 price area, $716. Let me please remove this and let me please show you the targets, the target of this bull run. Let me please draw this. For this I have to use this tool, fib retracement tool. And let me please manage this. Here you can see. Let me please do this. After breaking this zone, it can touch this zone 0.23 and it is at $400. After that 0.38 it is at 522, and after that 0.5 it is at 621. Let me please show you the target and let me please tell you what kind of target I am expecting from this token. And I think it can hit this zone and it will be the target. This will be the target in between 0.61 to 2.61 area, and maybe price can hit $2,000, maybe this area, and this is the final target of this bull run. Maybe price can hit this area, $200 price area, and this will be the target. And I think so this is very realistic target of this bull run, and price can touch this zone, and it is at $200 price, $2,000 price area. This is the target. This is my technical analysis, guys. I think you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please collect these bonuses. $700 bonus of Binance Exchange, $1,200 bonus of Fimex Exchange, $1,600 bonus of Bybit Exchange, and also the airdrop of Bybit Exchange, and the only 2 days remaining, and you can collect these 5 million bit token airdrop, and you can get 3500 free bit token, and 1 bit token value is $1.42. Thanks for the watching and always keep supporting me. Take care.